நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Connected to an organ. So from the person when he speaks, from there we try to connect it. Which are the organs which are likely to be affected and which are the organs which need more care for treatment. Now we have seen that these are the places where the points are connected. Now let us try to see how to activate these points. We have seen that pressure points are there in our hands, feet, spine. But now let us see how to activate these pressure points. For using the pressure points, we can use our own hands, our own thumb. There is no tool that is required. God has created enough energy and the tool within our own self. How do we activate the pressure point? We use our own thumb for activating the pressure point. The technique of pressing the point is that you have to support the area wherever you have to press the point. Supposing if you have to press the point at a particular spot, we have to focus on that area, give the support and press the point. Like any medicine, the dosage over here is also to press 8 times each time you do it. And normally we take medicines 3 times a day. Here also we have to do the pressure points 3 times a day. How does it work? 8 presses each time you do it 3 times a day means 8 into 3, 24 times for 24 hours. 8 into 3, 24 times and 3 times a day means 24 times for 24 hours. This is the dosage of medicine what we take, and this is the dosage of acupressure points what we do. We bend the thumb down in a 90 degrees and then press and give the pressure to the places where we need to apply the pressure. This is how we press the point, and when we press the point, it has to be gentle but firm pressure. It has to stimulate the point to circulate the energy. Why this stimulation is required? Let us consider that our human body is like a field, an agricultural field. In an agricultural field, when the water is flowing, whichever part is getting the water is healthy, it is green. The fruits and trees and grass will be all growing. But supposing if there is an obstacle anywhere, that area does not get the water, does not get the energy, it starts becoming dry. And when the parts become dry, it starts cracking up, the soil becomes dry, the plants do not grow over there. Same thing in our body. Because of the obstacles, what we have seen, they cause different blockages in our system, and to remove those blockages, we select the accurate point where we want the energy to flow by pressing the point, and when we are pressing the point, we are stimulating, pumping to flow the energy to that area, which creates the energy flow and removes the blockages, which in turn reduces the pain and helps to cure ourselves. Flat thumb should be avoided to be used for adults. Flat thumb can be used only for the children below the age of 4 and for the senior citizens where they are a little fragile, they may not be able to take the pressure which is applied. Now let us see how to